Good morning friends, my name is Kalyani Tatte and today's topic is reproductive system. So in male, the anatomy of a male reproductive system consists of external genital organ or internal genital organ. External organ contains penis and scrotum. In penis, it is a cylindrical. It contains spongy tissue that becomes turgid and erect vein filled with blood. In scrotum, it is a pouch of skin formed from the lower part of the abdominal wall. The scrotum keeps the test at a temperature slightly covers than the body temperature. Internal genital organ of male reproductive system. It consists of following organs, that is testes, seminal vesicles, epididymis, vas deferens, prostate gland. First one is the testes. The testes are two oval shaped male organ that produce sperm and hormone testosterone. Testis is externally covered by fibrous connective tissue. Vas deferentia. These are the pair of tubular structure and each of it is about 40 cm long and entering into abdominal cavity. Epididymis. These are a pair of C-shaped structure lying along a posterior border of tissue of each testis. Urethra. The male urethra provides a common pathway for the flow of urine and secretion of male reproductive organ called semen. It includes three parts. The first part is surrounded by prostate gland and is called prostatic urethra and it carries urine only. The second part is the membranous urethra, which is situated between the end of prostate gland and root of penis. It carries both urine and semen. Third one is the part of penile urethra, which is situated in the penis. It carries both urine and semen. Accessory sex gland of male reproductive system consists of three, that is seminal vesicle, semen and prostate gland. Then female reproductive system, it also has a internal and external organs. External organs consist of labia majora, labia minora, molus pubis, hymen and breast. In female reproductive system, labia majora are two large folds which form boundary of vulva and they composed of skin and fibrous tissue and fat. Labia minora are the smaller and thinner lip-like folds located just medially to the labia majora. Molus pubis, it is a fleshy elevation above the labia majora. Hymen is a thin layer of mucous membrane. And the internal genital organ consists of ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus and vagina. Ovaries, a pair of ovaries are primary sex organ of the female reproductive system. They are almond shaped bodies, each measuring about 3 cm long and 1.5 cm wide and 1 cm thick. Ovaries produce ova and also female sex hormone, that is estrogen and progesterone. Second one is the fallopian tubes. These are a pair of tubes lying horizontally over parenchymal cavity close to the ovary. Each fallopian tube is about 10 to 12 cm long, narrow, muscular structure lined by ciliated epithelium. Then third one is uterus. Uterus is also known as a womb. It is a pear-shaped, highly muscular, thick-walled and hollow organ. It is about 8 cm, 5 cm wide and 2 cm thick. It is differentiated into a dome-shaped part above the opening of uterine tube is called as fundus. Then broad upper part of the body is called as a corpus and narrow cylindrical part called cervix. Then fourth and last one is the vagina. This is highly collapsible and highly distensible fiber, muscular tube in which cervix opens. It measures about 7.5 cm to 10 cm in length. Highly acidic medium in vagina prevents infection by fungus.